Hey, it's Mars, and this is Let's Make a Dungeon Crawler Part 28, and in this video we'll be adding support for multiple conditions in our quest tracker. Let's start out by changing the graph, or the quest itself. All the blacksmith says is investigate the strange noises coming from the house. So in the quest, condition 1 would be investigate the house. Condition 2 would be kill the 2 zombies. So let's call this condition enter house. And in the quest tracker it will say investigate house. And that's 0 of 1, and this is 0 of 2. Also, the blacksmith doesn't know that there's monsters in the house, so we want to hide condition 2 until we get inside. So, a way I just thought about 30 minutes ago of how to do this, we could use a bool in the quest's metadata. Let's call it condition 2 or 1 rather, since this is 1, this is 0, and this is 1. Let's call it condition 1 hidden, and that's a bool of true. Then when we get into the house, we'll simply turn that bool false and show that we need to kill 2 monsters. So we're done working in here. Let's go to the prefab, and here we're setting the name and in the condition and target value. I suppose we can move these here. And I'll put these in a bracketed comment block called set text on condition 0. And then we want to set the text on condition 1 as well, but only if the game object is active. So let's actually move to the RPG UI scene. We'll turn on that prefab, and in the conditions, I'll copy and paste condition 0 and name it condition 1. It also has these, and now in the ply blocks we'll do a flow if A equals B, and we'll check if it's active using the get property block on condition 1. If active equals true, we will set its 3 text values, and that's on condition, current value, and target value. And you could expand this to support up to 10 conditions or more if you'd like. For this example, we'll just do condition 0 and condition 1. So I'll save the prefab and turn off condition 1 by default, so it starts off. And I'll save the prefab again. So now we need to decide when to turn on condition 1. I'll just make another onUpdate event, and here we could say, let's set a temporary variable, and I'll call this QCC for quest condition count. And we'll get that from diaq quest condition count. That's how many conditions we have in the quest, and I'll copy from this event. That's the quest in our system object in the plyblocks prefab, plyblocks component of the prefab. So QCC is the conditions in this quest. And then we can say if QCC is, and that's an integer I believe, if QCC is greater than 1, A greater than B, if QCC is greater than a common integer of 1, then let's turn on the game object, condition 1. But we also want to make sure that it's not hidden, as we did a metadata condition 1 hidden bool. So let's also check. And you can put two if blocks inside of each other. I'll just cut this A greater than B, drop in an A and B block. Now we're checking if there's more than one condition and hidden equals false. A equals B, and that's variables. And we are going to get a bool, a metadata bool, and that was called condition 1 hidden, and that's in diaq quest SO. So I'll copy that straight down, and then we're checking if hidden equals false. So if quest condition 1 exists and it's not hidden, let's object enable condition 1. That should be good. I'll hit apply on the prefab. Last but not least, we need to go to our interior scene and change what happens inside. So here in my level manager, I said if the quest is accepted, we'll enable the enemies. Let's also perform quest condition. I called it enter house. And now we need to set the metadata bool to false. Let's set condition 1 hidden in, that's this quest, to a common bool of false. In our prefab, in the update, we need to update the quest condition 1 That's all for this one. As always, thanks to those who have donated, and thank you for watching. If you learned something, hit that like button and join me next time where we'll be going over leveling up.